guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name's Alicia and I'm a reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Facebook Marketplace. So welcome back to my part 6 unboxing of my Jomar shoe palette. I'm in the same clothes as like all my other videos. I filmed like 4 videos today, so yeah, Blaine's in daycare and I have a ton of time to do it, so I thought I would knock as many videos out as I could without the distraction. So I paid in total for the whole palette $558. There should be 200 pairs of shoes, so I paid $2.79 per pair. So let's dig right in here. So first off we have, these are foreign. I can't really see, but these are the shoes. They're huge. They're actually a really big size. These are Amazonas. I don't know. We've got some more just like it. Is that the same brand? Nope, these are Kohan. And then these are Pyre Haas by, I don't know, DMX. I am not really sure. I'm not sure. They're very different though. Let's see. There they are. These are men's. There's this part on it. Oh, Reebok by something. I don't know, but the Reeboks. Okay, these are Nike SB. These are some nice looking shoes. This says Nike SB. And then we have some more of those shoes again. These are Kohan. Lots of these. I wonder how well these do. I don't know because I've never sold them before. Oops. What are these? Some boots. And these are, ooh, nice. These are Merrell's. Okay, I'm sorry, I thought I heard a noise, but these are Merrell's. That's exciting. There they are. They're fur line. Yeah, so that's good stuff. Good stuff right there. Okay, these are Adidas. Just a pair of basic Adidas shoes. These are some Nikes. Or no, I'm sorry. These are New Balance. Yep. Clark's, some men's sandals. Good season for this. We've got spring coming up here. Oops, some more boots. And these are Shoe-In by Thorogood. Thorogood. I want to say that's a good brand. I don't know, actually. I'm not going to jump to conclusion. But yeah, these are weird. These are really weird. They're like, I don't know, they're a pair of boots. There they are. Oh, my eye itches and I don't want to touch my face. Some more Kohan. There. They're pretty dirty. They're like black. Okay, this is a really small box, so this is going to be a really short video. These are Kohan. Oops, can you see that? Kohan. There's no laces, and I'm not going to take the time to buy some or put laces in, so I will probably just sell these as is for just a really cheap amount. because again, I paid $2.79 per pair, so I can afford to sell them cheaper. These are in really good condition. They're like not even dirty actually, but these are Adidas. I get nervous with white, but these are very clean. Okay, then we have some Nike Air, some Air Jordans. Pretty cool. Nike in the swoosh. Okay, that's a expensive brand. And then we've got some Dockers. Just some men's dress shoes. And that is it for this box. That's a really short box. So, short video. I should just do another one. I should open another box in this video. But then I was kind of thinking like I want to do one video per box. So I think that's what I'm going to keep it at. So that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in part 6. Okay, bye.